Yo, what is up, everyone? We have a massive security alert today. If you have an Android TV box sitting in your living room right now, you need to pay attention because 2 million devices just got hijacked into a digital zombie army. We are talking about a botnet called Kimwolf, and the scale of this thing is absolutely insane. In just 72 hours, this botnet fired off 1.7 billion attack commands. We are talking about an attack capacity of nearly 30 terabits per second. To give you some perspective, its control server briefly became the most visited domain on the entire planet, even beating out Google in the global rankings. Now, you're probably wondering how they infected 2 million people so fast. They did not send out phishing emails or trick anyone into downloading a shady file. Instead, they just bought access to a proxy service and walked right through your front door. Researchers found that 96% of the commands on this botnet are for proxy services. These criminals are routing illegal traffic through your home internet, and they are making about $88,000 every single month just by selling your bandwidth. Here is the hack they used. Millions of people have free VPNs or cheap apps on their phones that turn the device into a relay. Normally, these services block access to your local network, like your router, but these attackers found a hole. They created special domains that tricked the proxy service into pointing straight at your internal home network. Once they were inside, they looked for a specific target. Most of those cheap Android TV boxes you buy on Amazon, Walmart, or AliExpress ship with something called Android Debug Bridge, or ADB, enabled. ADB is meant for factory testing, and it gives full control over the device. You can read memory, write files, and install software with no password required. If you own a Superbox, an X96Q, an MX10, or those no-name smart TV boxes, you are at high risk. Even digital photo frames using the Uhail app have been caught in the mix. These boxes promise free streaming, but they deliver a wide open door to hackers. The Kimwolf operators are even using high-level tricks to stay hidden. They use DNS over TLS and blockchain technology like the Ethereum name service to hide their server addresses so they can't be shut down. When researchers tried to take them out, the hackers literally replied saying they have hundreds of servers and told them to keep trying, LOL. So how do you know if your box is a zombie? Check for these signs. Is your internet slower than usual? Is your TV box running hot even when you're not watching anything? Is there high network traffic for no reason? You can actually check if your IP address has been seen in the Kimwolf traffic by going to synthient.com/check. If your box is on the list, or if it's one of those sketchy unbranded models, honestly, just disconnect it. It's not worth the risk to your entire network. This is exactly why you need to understand home network security. Make sure you hit that subscribe button and ring the bell so you don't miss the next tech breakdown. Stay safe and stay protected.